Good morning, happy Sunday. What do y'all say we run some errands, just the girls? Are we at the bagel shop? Bagel shop. Let's go get some bagels because Mama's hungry. The kids actually already ate breakfast, but then we had a situation with the toaster when I was making my breakfast. So Kennedy's gonna eat another breakfast. No Sunday fit is complete without a tiara. Breakfast secured. First things first, we've got the last chocolate chip muffin for Miss Kennedy. Although now that I'm looking at it, that is not chocolate chip. That is definitely blueberry. That's okay. We're having a blueberry muffin. And for me, I've got a cinnamon sugar bagel, toasted, well done, with plain cream cheese. Oh.
Bagel.
Do you want some bagel? Next, we gotta go to the bakery because my sourdough, it's not sourdoughing. And so I'm gonna buy pizza dough at the bakery instead of making my own. I totally lied. Second stop to Stop and Shop. No groceries. We just gotta grab one of my prescriptions really quick. Let's go, princess. To the bakery we go. Wow. Got the dough and some pizza strips and they gave us a free cupcake. I guess that's what happens when you have a princess with you. I don't know. Okay, final stop. We need to head to the grocery store just to grab a few groceries ahead of the week. This week is going to be super busy and all over the place, so I'm probably just going to do a couple of little grocery shops throughout the week instead of one big one. One more stop because I just realized that I need a gas. Stay inside. Don't do that. Don't do that to me. Okay. All right, I'm just gonna go to a whole other gas station. At another gas station, and ironically, this is the same gas station that I went to when I was pregnant with Kennedy because there was a hot Cheeto shortage. This is the only place I could find them. Oh, there's a mosquito in the car. Get out. I need something to get it with. Get. Tiara's still going strong. I'm sorry, what? I have to try it. I gotta try it. A little while before my garden's ready. This is why we're really here. You can't go wrong with hazelnut. I got some beef because I'm gonna make some pasta tonight for the kids. MICKEY waffles, and it's not looking like we do. It's not looking hopeful. Oh no. I'm just gonna say that these are the MICKEY ones. Last we just need, I think we just need some cream and some milk. Wait, I've never seen the cherries in person. Yep, you're coming home. Really good snack for the kids, you know. We broke our tiara, but it's okay because I just overnighted a 10-pack, so we'll all be fine. Also a moment for the OOTD. I mean, style. What are you gonna do? I don't like sugar in my coffee, but whenever there's a flavor that I think that I would like, I always get it for Carl just so I can taste it. They have pistachio cream, so I got it. It's okay. Nothing will ever be like my cream only. All right. And now to get started with cooking and putting everything away. And also, I will be having that pink pineapple, so stay tuned. I will talk to you guys later. Happy Sunday. Bye.